वो कुछ एयरटेल से पैक लेते हैं ऐसा कुछ।
हाँ पैक क्लियर हो गया।
हाँ
कनेक्ट कर लिया?
हाँ, वो तो मुझे गाब्रियल ने बोला आशीष से कलेक्ट करने के लिए।
हाँ भाई अभी ऑफिस तो नहीं आया होगा ना फिर यानी?
नहीं, मैंने लाइव स्ट्रीम भी स्टार्ट कर दी।
अच्छा
उसका लाइव स्ट्रीम भी देखना है। उसका एक ऑनलाइन लॉटरी सिस्टम है,
हाँ हाँ
तो वो जो लॉटरी जब ड्रॉ होगी,
हाँ
उस ड्रॉ में ही वांट्स टू टेलीकास्ट दैट लाइव।
ओके
ठीक है। हाय
Hi.
मिस्टर रवि। Mr. Ravi, can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yep, very well, loud and clear.
We can hear you. Hi Ravi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm good,
I'm
thanks.
good. Thanks.
Great. Yeah, as I told you yesterday, we have this event. So every company, we have a SaaS platform. Every company that's with us, they schedule campaigns regularly. So sometimes up to several campaigns per month. Now, the thing about Trust Prize is that every single campaign, it ends with a live draw.
Okay.
Now, this draw is currently just shown on a website at our end, and we would like to enable our customers to transmit this event live through their channels.
Okay.
That's the basic idea.
Okay.
And of course, we have everything from APIs to whatever we need of information. But how does it work? Is it taking a portion of the website and transmit that to the video, or can it do your APIs enable custom design to our data that we provide,
Okay.
etc.?
Okay.
Basically, how it works right now.
Okay. So, Ravi, what I'll just begin our discussion by sending you a link over the chat.
Yeah.
On your left hand side, you find a chat, correct? It's a YouTube link.
Yep, I got it here. Yes.
Try opening that link in a incognito mode window.
Incognito.
That link in a incognito mode window.
Yeah.
Could you open that?
Yeah, I'm here.
So in that window, it's a YouTube interface. You will find that this particular meeting, me, you, and Gaurav, is being broadcasted, right?
Exactly, yes.
So we are live, actually.
Yeah.
Now, I have given you an example using a YouTube platform, but you can do it on the Facebook or any other streaming engine channels like Vimeo or Wowza.
Yeah.
Okay. So the basic thing which I wanted to demonstrate to you at this moment is that yes, live stream happens and it is possible with our platform.
Yeah.
Now, coming to your question of whether we, plan to, or we offer customization or creation of your customized UI or something like that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So in the background, what happens is, Ravi, we are a CPaaS provider, which is communication platform as a service. Now, this is a SaaS platform which you have, where we are talking to each other. It's a SaaS demo platform which we have made using our APIs.
Yeah.
So in the backend, what happens is there is a room which is created.
Yeah.
In that room, three of us have joined, and then we are talking to each other.
Yeah.
And from that room, one stream is going to a content delivery networks like YouTube and all, and they're streaming it, right?
Yes.
Probably you will do the similar thing in your website.
Mm.
So in an event, right?
Yeah.
You will create a room on the backend. So the UI design, the interface is exactly what you do, right? Not
Yeah.
necessarily you will use this platform. This is the one which we have designed, right? You have a different one.
Exactly, yes.
So you create a room in the background, in the backend, right? And when the event happens live, So there, you use our APIs to stream that live to Facebook or YouTube.
Okay, nice.
So it happens totally within your application. We are nowhere. You
Yeah.
simply use our services for streaming,
Yes.
right? So yes, the UI design, the customization is totally at your hand, totally
Look, what code
customized.
is it written in?
Pardon?
What code is it written?
No, since I mean that doesn't matter. What platform are you using?
Currently, we use React. Yeah,
Okay.
we. Yeah, it depends on what environment you're looking at, but we have everything from Gatsby on the front, and then we have Node, React. Just normal.
Yeah. So for our to make a call to our APIs, Rabi,
Yeah.
whatever technologies are you using doesn't matter actually. It's a
Okay.
simple API call. However, to make our API calls, there are certain changes which you have to make to your own code.
Yeah.
To help you further, we have developed sample application and sample codes into different technologies, and we do have for Node and React.
Yeah. Perfect.
Right. So these sample codes are freely downloadable. I can give you the link. You can download those code, modify those code as per your requirement. How do you want to play it around with your, what is your business logic and how your application wants to behave?
Yes.
Modify it the way you want it and plug it in your website.
Okay.
And that is doable.
Perfect.
And on top of it, we provide you with a whole lot of technical documentation,
Yeah.
which will guide you step by step. How do you want to implement which feature?
Excellent.
Right. So we have a documentation, we have the sample codes with you. And
Yeah.
during your testing phase, Ravi, we will also give you some free credit so that you can test it out. We won't charge you for that.
No.
Right.
Look, that sounds good. So, can you, if I give you a portion of my website, can you make a demonstration here, for example?
Yeah, I can see. So I'll just share my. I'll just try to do one thing. Now I have shown you this is rendering in a YouTube page, right?
Yeah.
Now I am now showing you in a website the same thing. I have made a web page of myself. I'm trying to demonstrate this particular same code to you. Give me some time. Let me modify the code. Give it 2 minutes if that is okay with you.
Yeah, yeah, of course. No problem.
Okay.
But you also want to discuss the pricing model.
Yeah, I'll do
Look,
that.
you don't need, you don't have to spend time on this actually.
But
You also want to
because-
discuss the pricing model.
Wait. Now, Ravi,
Mhm.
I hope you can see my screen now. Can you?
Yep, I can.
Okay. Now, what I have done is I have this is the meeting window where we are talking, right?
Yes.
This is the YouTube window. This is the wait. Let me copy this link and open a browser in an incognito mode. Probably this is the YouTube window which you are running at this moment, right? So our this entire meeting is being rendered live.
That's true.
Give me some time. Let it load. Right
Right.
now, what I have done is let me stop it now. Okay, fine. Let it come for time being. Okay, this is the window which is coming, right?
Yes.
Now, this is a YouTube interface. Now, what I have done, I have opened up another page, a simple web page, right?
Hmm.
It's a simple web page. So it is opening from my drive. You can see this is looking right.
Yeah. Okay.
Now,
Yes.
this I am rendering into this
You
page
don't need.
also.
You don't have to spend. You also want to discuss the.
So this meeting I am rendering in a normal web page also,
Hmm.
right? And Gaurav and Ravi, if you can open up your videos. So if the video comes,
Yeah, my own.
yeah. So no, I mean, see this. I just wanted to test it out how the video is being rendered. That's it.
That's fine.
So when it is live streamed, Ravi, there
Yeah.
will be a lag of from 10 seconds, ranging from 10 seconds to probably 30 seconds, depending upon the platform which you're using.
Yeah.
Right.
Obviously, and also if it's
Yeah.
voice, music, all that stuff, many attributes. But yes,
Yeah. So it should not be more than 30 seconds.
try to open this link I sent you, please.
That you sent me on the chat.
Yes. And
Okay, so
just
what essentially I wanted to show you is that this is being rendered in YouTube.
yeah, I
This is
see.
being rendered in a normal web page also.
Yeah.
So you can also design your website, and this will be rendered in that website.
Yeah, but in
Okay,
our exact case, yeah.
yeah. So
Gonna
I opened the.
please click on the full screen button.
Okay, let me share the screen once more so that you can guide me what exactly is to be done. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, and just click the full screen mode on the left. Yeah, the icon.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah. And wait, just let me see this. Right. Okay. Yeah. This is basically it. This is every single stream is only gonna have this, what you see right now.
Okay.
This is exactly how it's gonna be.
Okay.
Now the thing is, we don't share a screen because obviously we're not manually opening these pages, but it. So we will transmit this event to your API, schedule it for launch,
Yeah.
and then they publish on their Facebook, for example.
Okay. So if I have understood correctly, this one which is happening at this moment, this will be streamed, or there is a particular time when the event will be scheduled, and that event will be streamed live.
The most important stream here is maybe before 10 minutes of the draw.
Okay. Okay.
But, I mean, first of all, it's very limited data that is being transmitted, so I don't see any problem. Let it run for 20 days, for example.
You are right. It's very limited data, but probably if you let it go on for 20 days, 24 hours in a day, right, you will incur too much of cost.
Will it?
Yeah. So it is, the pricing is based on per minute. So rather, my
Mhm.
suggestion to you is something like this. Say, suppose the event is scheduled after a week from now,
Yeah.
which is the draw, right? So the one which you want to reflect on your Facebook page from now till 10 minutes before the start of the event. Probably you can do it, you can have a JPEG file which will be updated or something like that. You start streaming the live probably 10 minutes before the event starts.
Yeah.
That is my suggestion to you. Obviously, as far as streaming is concerned, you can stream 24 hours, live. That is obviously bringing me business. But, let me advise you properly.
Yeah, but the thing is, we are gonna do this. I mean, we're paying the cost, not the client here. It's okay. So if we go for can we get any type of subscription or any kind of like we can make an intro offer just as for the first 6 months? Now look, first of all, we're just initiated our the whole thing here, and we already have a couple of clients, big ones,
Okay.
like Denmark's second biggest energy company
Okay.
is our client.
Okay.
We aim for to be a middle to high end users who care about transparency, their brands, the integrity of the campaigns, and stuff like that.
Okay.
And what we know is we are growing fast. We got pretty good mentions in the media for the ethical part
Fantastic.
that we're
Nice to
doing,
hear that.
and I hope that we will grow fast now in a good way. So of course this is critical a little bit in this uh, in the initial stages here, but I'm pretty sure that, and remember that we're still in Copenhagen in Denmark, but this is, I mean, we got some great talks with the Olympic Games, for example.
Mhm.
The Olympic Games channel, they want to use our service. AT&T in the US would like to use our service. So we have some great customers, but I think in our position right now, the best thing for us is to move in a way that we control, right? Because we still find minor bugs here and there, so we cannot just go ahead and open up really fast. So it's growing in a pretty good way right now, but I'm pretty sure that we can make good business together, because as soon as we get um, payment for the services we provide, I'm sure there will be a portion to pay such a platform as yours.
Yep.
But it's of course a pretty good. It's a healthy way to make it something like 10 minutes before as a start.
Yep.
I agree 100%. Yes. From our end, the way we will get a streaming link from you, right?
Yep. No, not required. You don't need a streaming link from us. So when you code your backend,
Yeah.
right? So when you in your coding itself, there is a way to handle this. So probably when you stream it to Facebook, you will have to see what I did. I'm just sharing my screen again with you.
Yeah, please.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So what I have an option of live streaming here. Since live streaming is happening now, so it is say stop streaming. Okay, fine. I'll stop it. I'll start once more. So when I say live stream, right?
Yeah.
You can, when you design